Damn. Oh, you're right. Thanks. Great. There you go. It's so horrible it hurts. It's literally so horrible. Because the server does this, Strong, at a random time. It does because when I do this action, I don't block the response of this action by calculating badges and such. It generally takes about a second. So that's why I added a second timer. All right, we'll call that good. Expected one argument. I should be able to like get. Oh, I already know if it's current user. Perfect. If is current user. Well, it is a current user. Of course it is. Okay, then we're fine. All right. So that updates. Great. Okay, what's next? It's not that the server decides when to send the data. The server uses an event system to run background processes so it doesn't block the front end from response, doesn't block the response to the front end so the front end can keep it moving. Okay. So let's see what this looks like. Um cool. Great. Congrats. All right, that was easy. Um optimistically updating. Oh, let's turn these alerts off quick. Where are you alerts there? Okay. All right, optimistically up Dating. What are we updating? Uh, oh, the streak tier. Okay. All right. So cool. Are we really? Was there any more bugs around this feature, or are we actually ready for if we are sending data back to be invalidated? Yeah, we're not doing that approach strong. I was just thinking ideas. All right. Oh, never ads, bro. Never ads. Okay. Oh. Me host ad. Right. Yeah, no. I think ads on an app is so pathetic. I literally hate it. That said, I need them on other people's apps. And maybe I'll change my mind once we got lots of users and it makes you a lot of money. But for now, not interested. All right. Points. I guess we're there. Well, so we need it's honestly pretty sick seeing that thing update. Well we do have some data, basically your streak data. Up, servers down. Damn, maybe I should make an admin user too, so I'm not falsely testing this stuff. Yeah, so we do show have some metrics right here, which is good. All right, so where would the points go? Right? Because you need to kind of just show users points. We could do it as a we could do it underneath the username. That might be too many rows of data though. I also think this real estate right here is kind of cool. Like literally right next to the username, underneath the badge, just show a pill that that shows points because or yeah, widget's another option as well. But I kind of like it to be part of your profile. Like this thing up here. Uh let me see. Is my bot down? Dude, the thing about follower bots is so funny because I don't know if the people who do that know this, but you can literally just use a tool to remove all bots. which I'll show you here in a second. Wait, so what was the bug, dude? Yeah, we're gonna drop emojis, by the way, Strong. Watch this, just for funsies, guys. Follows from known bot accounts. Remove. 964. This will remove and block follows which are known bots. Yes. And watch this thing just absolutely cook right here. Look at it absolutely cooking the followed bots. We're at 800. Okay, we're in the 700s. Just watching this dude absolutely cook. So it's like zero penalty for me if I get follow botted. I'm just happy it costs them money. Hopefully you're not a bot lieutenant. This song is an absolute banger, by the way. We're in the business of small incremental changes. Like the days of total redesigns I've decided to throw out, because if we spend a month redesigning, we still have the same amount of users. It doesn't help. What we need is features that people are interested in, and eventually ads to help people find this app. That's my current thought process on, like, I don't want to do any sweeping changes. No, we've done no marketing yet. Yeah, we just punted all the users. All followers removed. It's too fun to do that. No, we just don't have marketing yet. But don't worry, actively negotiating a plan for that. All right. What was the bug, dude? Oh, I gotta restart this thing. Hold on. I'm lagging here. Give me a second to stop lagging. Cold boot. Okay, should be good now. All right. I lost my chat though. Hold on. I refreshed the commander root tool, which will that definitely bogs down your computer. I guess he's doing everything client side. Pop out. Okay, got the chat back. We back, baby. I just can't afford the redesign, Strong. We've redesigned so many times. The reality is it doesn't pay out. Go to challenge habit, view streak data. It's bad. Let's go take a look. Let's see here. Let's see if I still have any challenges. I might not even have any. Commit to coding. I got that one. Okay. This looks good to me, I think. I don't know why. Oh, no, I think that's good. Let me go back to. I don't know why today is already measured. But if I complete that, which I did, does the current streak refresh? Is that the bug that current streak is incorrect, Akira? I think my longest is correct. One, two. Well, I think it's just not refreshing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I just think it's not refreshing anymore. Let's look. What am I? Let's see here. Server. Planned habit handler. So here we go. Unupdated. I think it might be a timing issue. Let's see here. Uncompleted. Let's take a look. Okay, so there is not mad, just thinking. Having the time of my life, for what it's worth, despite how I may look. All right, let's see here. Setting longest streak to 11, setting current habit streak to 0. Setting current habit streak to 12, setting longest habit streak to 12. So it looks like on the background it's working. Well, I don't know what I changed. Now it's cooking. Yeah, dude, it's cooking right now. I don't know what the difference is. Hmm. So I think it's good. I'm not sure what exactly is happening. I didn't even make any changes. All I did was add a log. Why don't I try prod? So this is the actual app. Let's see here. $12.12. Drop this one to 11. 11.0. Well, and in fact, dude, why don't you update one a couple times? We log it. So let's go look. So I should be able to see your logs. Toggle one of yours that you think would increment and decrement your thing. I don't know how this banger came on, by the way, but it did. Setting current habit streak. Fill to get. We're getting an exception in here. Fill to get user. Fill to get habit tier. That's interesting. Can you do it one more time? Or a couple more times? There, we fixed it. Okay. I don't know what that was about. It is unfortunate, but maybe it has to do with. It does. The visiting the UI, I think, does trigger an update potentially. Holy logs. Holy logs, dude. What the hell is this? I mean, we can run it. I should be able to run it from command center and look at your um account here. Let's see here. Um Migrate habit streak. No. So is it wrong still? Update user streaks. Update user streaks. So is it correct or no? Dixie, no, no. Full populate current streak. And I definitely don't think it has to do with just challenges. It should be all of them. Because they behave the exact same way. So, like, my current streak is 0, which is wrong. But if I come over here and I say programming better. Hey, no, no. Okay, so updated programming and better. Its current streak is 0. I have a theory. Let's go back and update it this direction. Let's look at it again. Now let's go update it one more time. I have a theory. I definitely have a theory, dude. I think it's on create that's not triggering it. So when you create it, aka just check it off the list, it probably isn't triggering the update I'm waiting for. But now when I say Program Embedder already existed because I just toggled it on, then off, and then on again. So now I'm expecting Program Embedder to be correct. And it is. That's the problem. So let's go look for that. Planned. Does that make sense? Habit handler. It's on create. Yeah, look. On create, we don't of the planned task. Look what we do. We only trigger the full populate current streak events on completed or incompleted, but apparently the on create isn't triggering it. Noob developer here. Welcome, noob. You just downloaded it better. Let's go. Oh, that's horrible. If you don't mind me asking, what don't you understand? Like, yeah, what don't you understand? If you don't mind taking some time to tell me. And thanks for chiming in, by the way. Because most of our users download the app and they don't use it. Why? What is confusing about it? The moment you open it, there should be some clues on where to go next and what to do next. I'm just curious, where are you hung up? Because that'll help me help other people like you. You made a new task. Amazing. So was that intuitive? Let's break this down. If you don't mind taking some time to tell me, this will really help me. Great. You made a new task. That's what we need people to do, and you did it. Perfect. That's the objective. But then obviously, what's the next objective? I'll just say it. Ideally, people work on the task and try to complete them. Is that part confusing? Perfect. You had a task of 25 push-ups. Outstanding. That makes total sense. Where are you? So you said you're not really sure how to use it. What part during the workflow do you not understand? Where are you getting stuck? Well, naturally, ideally you drop and give me 25. Do you know where to tell the app that you did 25 push-ups? Okay. See, now we're getting somewhere. Good stuff. Okay, so you're over here on this page and you added do some push-ups, yeah? There's this big heart right here. There's a big heart right here. Very important tab of the app. Click on this tab and let me know if all your answers are solved, all your questions are solved. But dude, that's a wonderful, maybe we're not guiding people to click on this thing. Maybe after somebody completes, creates their first habit ever, we should make this thing glow. And when they click on it, give them a little blurb that says, "Great, you're here. Now do this." So that's interesting. Right. I think the checklist, dude, Akira, the checklist was absolutely a cop out on like a big investment into navigation based workflows. Maybe it's time that that gets punted on or soon because I don't think people are doing it nor do they care about the checklist. Let me ask you this. Pockets. Did you even look at the checklist? Did you even notice a checklist? You, yeah. Did you notice the checklist? Did you do any of the checklist? Did you click on any of the buttons on the checklist? There's a new user checklist. There it is. There it is. No idea what you're talking about. There it is, dude. Click on this. Click on these crossroads right here. Do me a favor, Pockets. Click on these crossroads. Do you see a checklist after you click on these crossroads? Nobody knows. Now that you see the checklist, does it enlighten you a little bit more on what to do? Isn't that interesting? I'm going to create a new account. Yes, thank you, Akira. Come on. Well warranted. Is it wait, is this the stream's theme song? React Native dialogue. Wow, Pockets, you're our favorite user, by the way. For being kind and helping us and like being thankful to Akira. You're our favorite user. Um oh, I gotta log into this damn email. Verify your email. Okay, here we go. I verified my email so I can log in. So look, and I'm Pockets right now, guys. I'm Pockets right now. Okay? Username. Fake Pockets. Confirmed. Continue. I'm Fake Pockets. Look. To ensure we are off to a great start with Embedder, we have created a checklist. Too many words. Obviously, too many words. Too many words. God, what idiot wrote that? It's always me when I ask that question, by the way. You didn't get that check. You didn't get that notification. Did you have to create your username? Start your um Start your habit journey at the right, and then you clicked OK, and it didn't tell you get. Are you sure you didn't just? If you're not sure, that's fine. Is there any chance you just clicked it because it said let's get starting, let's go, and you just said okay, okay? You probably skipped it, so you probably got this and just like everybody just smashed the button, right? I have a funny idea. I have a funny idea, guys. I have a funny idea. Put a one in the chat if you want my funny idea. I think this could be hilarious. Captain, let's go. Captain, I think this is genius, dude. I think this is genius, dude. Sign out. Let me see if I can log in with this bad boy. Hopefully, it doesn't just kick me. Oh, they're gonna make me remember how to do this. Okay, what do I do, guys? Is it a property? No, it's got to be on user. Select star from user where username equals fake pocket. Kevin's on a 175 stream streak, dude. That's not okay. That is just not okay, dude. Fake pockets. Thank you for your continued support, dude. Insanity. Absolutely insanity. Okay, account setup. Update where username. You always want to do the where clause first. That way you don't botch it with a fat finger. Where username equals fake pockets. Update user. Update user set account setup equals 0 where username. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let me log out and log back in. Oh, dude, I got a good one. I got a good one coming for you. Continue. Yes. Yes. Watch this. I got a really good one coming, guys. Watch this. Watch this. To the Should I just make it that? Actually just dumb it down? Should I just literally make it to the onboarding checklist? It at least tells people that there is one. So that's a absolutely yes, right? To the onboarding checklist. Okay? Yeah, but pockets, the problem is so hold on. Let me take a step back. Akira, where I was going with it, I was going to give him two options. They both take you to the checklist. One was going to say go, one was going to say to the checklist to make you read and kind of learn. But then I realized, let's just take him to the checklist. So let's make this text not horrible. Head to the checklist to start your journey. Correct. It does need to be way more improved. Head to the new user checklist to start your journey. Head to the onboarding checklist. Head to the onboarding journey to start your checklist. Damn it. I gotta call it new user. Head to the new user checklist. To the new user checklist. Fake pockets, let's go. Head to the new user checklist to start your journey. To the new user checklist. Do you think you guys would notice that this was telling you to go to the checklist now? Or do you think people still will not know or care what this says? To the new user checklist is the button you're clicking, right? You're saying, I'm off to the new user checklist. And then now you're sitting on a new user checklist. I have an idea. We can put a giant notification symbol down here that makes people, as they're navigating around, it looks like there's an alert here until they clear the new user checklist. Question. Guys, just people who just created an account, yeah, let's just cut to the chase. We need forced onboarding. Like, we can talk about this till we're blue in the face. We just need forced onboarding. Probably before points. Like, let's be honest. We're losing users because people don't know what to do. All the time. Every day we lose a user because they don't make it far enough. It needs to be so in your face it hurts. So when you log into the app, it should probably take you here first. Brand new users, come here. It literally says no habits yet. You currently have no habits to work on. Press add new habit to get started. I think we're going to drop the checklist altogether. Nobody wants to go through a manual checklist. Other apps already solved this, I feel like. And the answer is you got to literally force them to press it with their thumb or they're not going to. So this is what the new user workflow is going to look like. Watch. We're literally going to come into here, create new habit. My test habit. I might force them to type that. My test habit. I might force them to click some of these. Create. I'm going to force them to come here then. Where's my habit? That's a huge problem. Where the hell's my habit? We're screwed. If users are creating habits and they're not showing up, we're absolutely screwed. Oh, it's a day. I selected a day of the week. I selected a day of the week. Boom. There you go, Scrum. There you go, bro. What a battle, guys. What an absolute battle. What a derailment, but probably such an important derailment. Um, Clara, by the way, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. Exactly. You have to care to learn. If you're just barely interested, you're not going to finish the workflow. Pockets, you're amongst good company here because we too do all the things we say. Look at this bro. Look at this bro named Akira. 100, he did 100 push-ups. The hell, dude? What a sick profile. I can't believe people aren't sticking around this app. I actually can't believe it. The app is so dope. I can't believe we just keep losing users. I actually can't. I think we don't hook them quick enough. Here's another option. Another possible onboarding is to already give them a habit. My first habit, right? What if they get this by default? Okay. My tutorial habit, right? So imagine if you start the app. Imagine if you started the app. Imagine if you start the app. First, you just get in. You just get in. And this is what you're looking at. And it says my tutorial habit, and it's going like this. It's enticing you to it's like shaking, and it's telling you swipe to complete, and you go like this. Boom. Okay, they've completed something. I have no doubt that Trello has an outstanding onboarding process. Trello, and no, I definitely haven't seen it. Grumpy with the raid and run. Let's go, dude. Welcome in. Welcome in, dude. Hope all is well. Yeah, no, 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 no. We were not gonna use a video. Um, the habit categories. So are you talking about Discover? Yeah, classic, dude. How classic is that? The most hidden feature. The most hidden feature is like one of the best things we have. How classic. Some crap I should probably get rid of. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of them right now. Yeah, that's an old artifact that we're about to get rid of. Well, let me remove these. Custom habits. Show tables like habit. Select star from habit category. Here we go. Delete from habit. Gory. This could be a horrible. I could break everything right here, but I don't care. Where ID is greater. New user created. Let's go. ID is greater than 12. Boom. Okay, did I just break everything? Let's find out, guys. Here we go. Add new habit. Discover. Yeah, I broke habit categories. Okay. I broke habit categories. Did I break the server? I may have broke the server there. I broke the server, so we got to fix that quick. Habit category service. You got to see the inner suggestions of having a space for an icon. The inner suggestions. Well, hold on. I got to fix this cat. I got to fix it. I just broke it for everybody. Get all generic. Get all custom. Like, get that's not. None of that's important. Get recent's gone. Get rid of all this. We'll see if I fixed it. No. Where are you mad? Habit router latest. Where are you mad at me? Yeah, get rid of this. Get rid of recent. Are you happy with me now? Oh, an absolute banger. An absolute banger, guys. It's broken still. Why is it still broken? Habit category service. This is literally an absolute banger. Get active. Habit category not found. What? What'd I break, guys? I knew that was a bad idea to delete those. Category. Why is this an absolute banger, though? Get active. What's your beef? Active category. Oh, crap. Insert into habit categories. ID. Name. Description. I deleted one I shouldn't have. We'll just give it a 15. Call this active. And we'll give it no description. Okay, we got 15 back. Let's see if she breaks. Yeah, we're in shambles. We're in shambles. We're in shambles. Why are we calling active in the first place? Yeah, see, that's the problem. Active. We don't care about active. We don't care about custom or recent. Who put this absolute banger on, guys? Come on. Come on. Speak up now. Speak up now. Spotify, you freaking legend. I literally am in the absolute weeds, guys. I broke everything by being an idiot. Get all generic habit categories. Select star from. Where's category ID? $13. What the hell's what was 13? Nobody knows what 13 was. Who did this, guys? Who did this? Who did this? I told you guys not to delete production data without knowing what it does. But you guys said, no, dude, you're fine. Just delete it. No, you'll be fine. That's what you guys said, not me. Yeah, we're definitely over our heads here. ID, name, description. I wanted to do custom. Don't care. Okay, let's get in there. Let's get in there. Let's get in there. Everything's broken. Okay, you can still create something. Thank God. Select star from task order by ID descending. Whoa, how did somebody create one right after me? That's amazing. Just created it. Okay, ID 13. Fine. I'll never know. If you guys think I'll know, the answer is no, I won't. I deleted the endpoints custom and recent. Oh, it's broken bad. Who told me to go in there and start deleting stuff? Okay, let's try again. Discover. Delete everything. Ryan, we need to delete and restart. Habit category not found. What category do you want that you can't find? Oh yeah, we'll fix it. Don't you guys worry. This ain't my first time in the doghouse. I just need to add insert. I just need to insert this one more time and let's see why it's mad at me. Custom. What habit category is not found? Get custom. Oh my god, this is my favorite song. 13. Nope, we have a 13. Select star from habit. Unless I didn't do an ID. Gory. 13. Get on, bro. Okay, fine. Then let's put recent. I'll even insert recent. Insert into, man, who knew that was such an important table, guys? God. Insert into habit category. ID, name, description. To be fair, I did say this is a bad idea. I did say that. Okay. There it is. Custom recent active. Let's go. We've restored the data. Now, don't you fail me now. Yeah, get owned. Get owned, guys. We absolutely cooked it. Everything's back. I totally restored everything. Kind of. Okay. That was horrible. That was a horrible experience for me. I would say that was a horrible experience. I do not recommend doing that. I do not recommend doing that. Is this React Native? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. If I said last song was my favorite song, I meant this one. Guys, I just do not recommend doing that. Okay, let's like see if I broke anything. Why do we have 100 things to do? All I wanted to do was add a leveling system. An absolute banger, guys. Okay, let's get back to cooking. That was a horrible experience. I just do not recommend you do what I just did. If you next time you want to delete production data, and if you prefix deleting the production data with "this is a bad idea, I probably shouldn't," I'm just going to recommend you just don't. And then that way you won't have to fight through the fire and flames to resolve your problem. That's all. Look, I'm no guru. Yes, I'm extremely good. I'm no guru. That's my advice. Take it for what it's worth. Take it for what it's worth. Okay, now let's see if I can get rid of some of this. Dang, that was horrible. I just don't recommend it. Here we go. Discover. I can't believe I have to drop everything and we're diving head, feet, and toes first into an onboarding process. I just can't believe it. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with you? Dude, this thing's being a wiener right now, guys. Thank you. Holy moly. Thank you. That was crazy. Good old generic. Okay. That was crazy, guys. I can't even tell you. Why'd you put a sad song on, dude? I thought we were raging. I thought we fixed the production issues. I thought we fixed the production issues, dude. Why are you coming at me like that, dude? Come on. I thought we fixed them. Okay. Sorry for that absolute mayhem. Sorry for that absolute mayhem, guys. All right. Where were we? Onboarding. Nobody knows how to onboard. So what do we need to do? So we need to, 1, log in. 2, force them. We're going to give them a modal that says, hey, congrats, we're about to create and complete your first habit. Or I'm going to tell them, hey, welcome to Tutorial Island. Follow the guide to complete your first habit. Let's see if there's a React Native onboarding. No, you hit the bottom. You hit. Don't you insult me like that. You hit the bottom, not me. Not me. Although that's such a fail. That's such a fail. Why does that say you hit the bottom instead of give a little spinning bar on initial load? That's such a fail. Has more is what? Timeline data dot length equals 0 or okay, let's give this thing a restart. I think I fixed it. I can understand the lyrics. It's making me really sad. Oh my god, we fixed it. That's a mouthful. Yeah, it is. Akira has completed 80% of the, and then boom, name a challenge. Okay, what's next? Onboarding. We need to find an onboarding guys. We need to find an onboarding library. We gotta find an onboarding library. You think we can find an onboarding library? Let's see here. 8 months ago. Product. Blah, 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 blah. What do you do? Thanks, Ryan. They keep riding up on me. Bad signature. You're in big trouble. Onboarding swiper. I mean, that's not the worst. Good. Swiper, no swiping. New users shouldn't jump in the deep end. Blah, 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 blah. Swiper, no swiping. That's what I always keep telling people. Dude, this is kind of sick. So what I think it is, I'm assuming it's an overlay over your I'm assuming it's an overlay. Exactly, Dohan. Oh my goodness. What is this nonsense, dude? I mean, that's not the worst thing I've ever seen. Oh, you're the worst. Come on. This is one of my favorite songs. I mean, this is it, dude. This is literally it. Look at this freaking screenshot right here. You can't click on this screenshot, but just trust me. Look at the screenshot. Oh, shut up, dude. This is literally it. Oh, why? Why? Do I believe in developing new features for power users instead of perfecting? That's a great question. My philosophy is give non-power users a good. No, that's a different answer to a different question. Do you believe in developing new features? Yeah, on accident. But no, today, since because Pockets, I don't get to hear a lot of feedback from people, but I can show you this. You want to see something horrible? Look at this. Look how many people created an account. Dude, look how many people created an account just 20 within the last 24 hours. Coralina, there's Pockets, there's Tomas, there's Pluto, there's Embedded User, there's Fake Pockets, there's JK Pockets. Why do we have so many Pockets? Nobody uses the app. They look how many inactive users we have. We keep getting users and they don't do anything. We gotta onboard their asses. We gotta onboard their asses. How do I build the admin page? God, if I could tell you. I didn't write a single line of code for it. I didn't write a single line of code for it. Someone else in here may have. Goes by the name of Akira. Wrote the whole thing. Wrote the whole thing. Every single component you see. Hand built. Custom built. Yo, what's up, Runty? Runty, nobody knows how to use the app, so they stop using it. People gave up on us, Runty. Absolute banger alert. Runty, people gave up on us. Dude, these people are in so much trouble. I'm so mad at them. They literally created the perfect feature and they got rid of it. Runty, how do we get people to know how to use it? Onboarding? Yeah, I can't get this damn. I guess we got to custom build it, guys. I guess we got to custom build the onboarding process. And then I could open source it. But I would never. Yeah. We gotta do it. We gotta do it. We gotta do it. Let's just dive TF in. Let's dive TF in, guys. Let's go. Let's work. Enough talking. It's kind of like the Elon Musk way. If no one else can do it, I'll do it myself. Am I right, Pockets, or am I right? You know what they say. Also true. Tutorial Island is the name of the component. And trust me, it's going to be good. I inspired you to learn JavaScript. Outstanding. Did this song have anything to do with it? Because this song is insane. Yeah, thank God, dude. Same thing for me. Like, I've never been more inspired after this song. I remind you of something. Japanese attitude for work. If one can do it, I can do it. If no one can do it, I must do it. Exactly. That's me. Middle Eastern attitude for work. Wallahi. If one can do it, let him do it. If no one can do it, yeah, Habibi, how can I do it? What? Question mark. Guys, it's up to me. It's up to me to build Tutorial Island for all React Native applications. For all React Native applications, it's up to the dev dead to build Tutorial Island. Let's go. Let's go. Export const Tutorial Island, guys. They said it couldn't be done. I was on Reddit forums. They said you can't create one. Interface props. They said you can't build one. Children, probably that's a reasonable type. No one even knows. No one even knows what that type is, but it's probably what we want because Copilot recommended it. Okay. Ready for this? Return. This one goes out the strong pad. View. Boom. Cooked. Cooked. Okay. Let's see if Tutorial Island worked. What? Oh, come on. Tutorial Island. There we go. Let's cook. Okay. Okay, good cook, good cook. Good cook. Canada from Japan? Bro, do you live in Canada? I know a couple Canadians in the chat. And hello, fellow React Native developer. I'm carrying, dude, Canada from Japan, I'm carrying the flame. I'm carrying the flame. People said it couldn't be done. They said you couldn't have tutorials in React Native, so I'm doing it for it's bigger than me at this point. This problem is bigger than me. I'm doing it for the entire community. Without me, we would never have tutorials. I didn't want to be the one to have to do it. You know what I mean? I would much rather build more exciting stuff. But it fell on my shoulders, and now here we are. All right, here we go. Style. Background color, sure. Height, width, position, width, weird ordering, but okay. There it is. There's the beginning of our tutorial. There's the beginning of our tutorial, guys. Now we need to give them a little focus box they can click into. That's the hard part, okay? You don't use interface. Um, interface, it defines a type. So it defines a set of properties that then you can pass around as that thing. So I could do something like this: const p of type props, and I can pass it. And then now I could do p dot children, and like do stuff with it. Really cool. Okay, here we go. Um, Strong. This is for everything. How do I get a circle that has a different, that the background doesn't apply? How do we get a background? Well, Z index could be at background color green. Height 50 with, I can't believe I'm carrying the torch for all React Native devs right now. How do I make this transparent? Okay, that just doesn't do it. Now unfortunately, I can't copy out of my text editor, which is the biggest inconvenience in life I've ever experienced. It's the number one inconvenience I've ever experienced. Imagine not being able to copy something. It just doesn't even make sense, does it? Literally doesn't even make sense. Components tutorial island. Yeah, Ryan, like they tell you to use NeoVim, like, so I listened to them. So I listened to them. You can't yank out of the damn thing. Tutorial island. So then you got to take a different tutorial. Then you got to go to a different tab and cat it, and then from here you can do this. So then we're gonna pop over here, boom. Welcome to the web browser. Chat, not Chrome. Chat. How can I give the inner view a fully transparent background so that you can see what is behind it, but leaving the rest of the background opaque? I am building a tutorial overview, and I want to highlight certain areas behind the transparent background. What if I told you guys this isn't the first time I had to search this? Look at a map. Look at ChatGPT absolutely cooking. Look at ChatGPT absolutely. Like, nobody knows what this is, but it's probably good enough. It's probably good enough. Like, I don't even know what that is or if it works, but like it probably does. Let's hope you're wrong, Akira. Let's hope you're wrong. Top. The heck is this? Watch this, Canada. Watch this. I created a interface, so now I can go and use it. This one goes out to Canada. Oh, come on. Top, I don't know. 0. What's next? Left? 50. Who knows? Nobody knows. That's the problem. Nobody knows. Width? 40. Height? 400. Let's cook. Let's work. Highlighted area? Let's work, guys. It didn't work, Strong. It didn't work, Strong. What happened, guys? I thought we cooked it, dude. I thought we freaking cooked it, man. That would have been so freaking sick. Okay. Okay. At least we got the follow from Canada to Japan. I'm more of a Japan to wait. I'm more of a Japan from Canada type of person because I want to go to Japan and eat ramen. But that's just me personally. Okay. Let's see what's next. Um, how do we get for you to travel? You need to either leave your wife alone with 3 crazy kids or bring my wife and 3 kids. Yeah, then I'm staying home, Ryan. Then I'm staying home. Okay. Um, the problem is that the highlighted area still is transparent, but behind it is the opaque. This is the exact. I've literally already done this through ChatGPT, like the same search. I'm gonna try my best, dude. I'm gonna try my best. The problem is that the highlighted area is transparent, but behind it is the opaque background still. So you cannot see what is behind the opaque background. This guy wants to use an SVG. Should I cook with an SVG? A lot of people said it couldn't be done with an SVG. Let's see if we can prove them wrong. Let's see if ChatGPT can help us prove them wrong. A lot of people said you'll never get this to work with the SVG. I'm here to prove them wrong. Remember, I'm the author, guys. I am the author of React Native Tutorial Island. React Native Tutorial Island. That is going to be the name of the and that's gonna be the name of the library. And I wasn't talking about you, Akira. That's just something I say. I like to pretend I have fake enemies. I like to pretend I have fake enemies that are like hating on me. Like I like to say things like, "Yeah, a lot of people are in my DMs telling me this." There's not one person in my DM. There's not one person in my DM. I promise you that. Not a single person. Okay, that doesn't work either. So this one I'm not convinced. This one I'm not convinced. Yo, what's up, Taunt? How we doing? Yeah, we got Taunt in the building. Welcome. Taunt, scan the QR code, baby. Scan the QR code. We need you in the app, dude. Okay. Let's see here. An interesting tech. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that interesting technique there. Yeah, you got owned, bro. You got owned. Taunt got owned. Okay. Taunt get owned, bro. Okay. He's a wannabe, bro. He's definitely not the real Taunt. He's definitely not the real Twitch scam. He's someone else who's copied it and now he's trying to. He's like one of those like. This is a little dark. This is a little too dark. I changed my mind. I changed my mind on what I was gonna say. But he's a wannabe. Let me put it that way. He's a copycat. He's a copycat. He's not the real one. Bruh, how do we put a hole in this damn thing? I'm trying to, yeah. Well, then it should be black, right? Can I just make it freaking white? Okay. Akira's onto something. But transparent doesn't work. Okay. I think I can solve this. What does that mean? What does clip it mean? I pray that imagine if Twitch scam a way to do what you want. Do I need to clip the SVG? I spelled SVG wrong. God damn it. Clipping SVG can help create the desired cutout effect by using the clip path, the element SVG. You can do an area that be cut out from the overlay. All right. All right, if Akira pulls this off, then I'm gonna go absolutely insane. If Akira pulls this off, guys, put a one in the chat if Akira's about to pull this off. One in the chat if Akira's about to pull this off. Tutorial Island. The first ever React Native tutorial island, never been done before with React Native. Not one person has pulled this off before. Can we have a server first? Can we have a language first, guys? Can we have a language first? Can we have a language first? 10 errors. No errors. Bruh, it did the opposite. It did the opposite, dude. Why'd it do the opposite? This is the world's hardest challenge to solve. If we can solve this, we're the greatest programmers in the React Native community. Nobody in React Native has ever solved this before. It's doing the opposite effect, dude. Also, guys, how do we create Tutorial Island? It also needs to be a touchable, which is even worse. Absolutely tragic. An absolute tragedy. I thought for sure that was going to work. Oh, we're just doomed. All I ever wanted to do was to pull this off, guys. I just wanted to be the server first with I just wanted to be the server first with Tutorial Island, but it's looking like this is why we didn't do this last time, for what it's worth. It was just too hard. Weren't skilled enough. And I fear we're about to enter the same boat again. Boom. I clip past it. We're doomed, guys. We're doomed. We're doomed. Hmm. Okay, we need a new angle. We need a new angle. Hmm. Infinite, welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. Infinite, we need a new angle. Maybe I can make a component. Can you just go back to the previous code Akira gave you and change the SVG height and width instead? I don't. I'm not. I'm just guessing here, so it's not. It's not worth my time because I. Once you find yourself programming by staring at the Twitch chat and waiting for somebody to give you the answers, you know you're in trouble. That's when you know you're in trouble. Akira's probably onto something, but I can't just on stream. I can't just sit here and stare at the Twitch chat, having Akira try to solve a React Native problem on my computer. You know what I mean? Like I don't know what to do with SVGs, so we got to take a new approach. And I think I have an idea. Here's what I'm going to do. Tutorial Island is going to merely wrap something. It's going to merely wrap something and put a gold icon in the middle. And that's it. And that's it. No, it's a good thought for sure. It's a good thought. View. That's supposed to be the word return. Boom. No semicolon. I guess semicolon. Main. I have an idea. I gotta sneeze. Watch this. Tab bar. I have an idea. Watch this. Where is the one I'm looking for? Sure, I'll just try it on this one. Watch this. I'm going to wrap this in Tutorial Island. Okay. I wrapped it in Tutorial Island. Why are you doing this to me? Watch this, guys. Watch this. Style. Background color. Green. Let's see what happens. Boom. See, that's exactly what I needed, guys. Because now watch what I'm going to do. This is what I'm talking about. Watch this. Background red. Top 0. Right 0. Width 10. Height 10. Border radius 25. Cell Seashore. What's good? What is good? Welcome in, Cell. Left. I said left. Position. Absolute flex direction 1. Then I'll say right again. There. And then we'll say 20. We'll say 15. 15. Then we'll say top 7.5. Wait. Banger alert, by the way. Bottom. Man, they're ruthless out here. Oh, you're just the worst. What do I need? What do you need from me? We're taking a new approach. We're going to just do a little dot. What do you mean by faking it? Define faking it. Oh, dude, Canada, if you don't know this band, Stand Atlantic, it's a drop everything and listen. Oh, it's negative 7.5. Why didn't my brain work well enough? There. I don't know. I think that's gonna be challenging. I don't have a better answer. I think the answer is probably to solve this because you're gonna need to create one of those for everything you do, and positioning is gonna be very challenging for every single element. Let's go. We got Jeremy in the building, by the way, guys. Let's go, Jeremy. 2 habits to complete this morning. Let's go. All right. I don't know what to do. I have to think on this. I have to think on this. Yeah, it's just a generic post. I gotta ponder on this, guys. I don't know. Akira is probably onto something with faking it. I just gotta come up with how. Yeah. So yeah, you just black background it, and then you put the element you want to isolate on top. The only challenging part is the positioning, but I mean that shouldn't be that hard. That shouldn't be that hard. So that's probably the best option. I can't believe we couldn't create Tutorial Island. Second time we failed creating Tutorial Island. Can you use Flexbox? Can you use Flexbox? Thanks, Canada. That means your taste in music is absolutely amazing. Can you use Flexbox to have it flex around it? So, like, can you just have everything flex around it? And that's the background. So imagine a grid system and you tell it the problem with grids is screen sizes. I can't come up with how to solve it for different screen sizes. I think we're going to have to fake it. I think we're going to have to fake it. What a challenge, guys. Guys, Tutorial Island. Yeah, we could highlight upgrade to premium. Okay. I have the worst option of all time. Shall I share the worst option of all time? I don't want to do it. What if I wrapped every single component in a global wrapper that told it if we're in Tutorial Island or not? And each one had a unique ID if it was involved. And if its unique ID was set, So like right here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every visible component, and just make it opaque. So the whole screen won't be opaque, but each element would be opaque. So I could, and disabled, by the way, opaque and disabled. But the only downside of that, no, that's not a big deal. It's annoying to have this random tutorial wrapper sitting. It would be sitting around every single component. Like every single component would have this random ass wrapper sitting around it. And that's annoying. But that would solve this. Oh, yeah, it would disappear. All right, guys. The boy is calling me. The boy is calling me. And when the boy calls, the dev dad comes running. It's just a natural progression of things. So let's go do a raid here. Hi, buddy. All right, the boy has arrived. We'll think this through, guys, okay? We'll think this through. Hi. All right, guys. Take care. Until tomorrow.